Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create discount codes in WooCommerce at 2026. So actually guys, at first you all need to log into the WordPress dashboard, and after that just go ahead with the left hand menu, scroll down with your mouse and hover on the marketing option, okay? And right then you'll be able to see a pop-up window, so just go ahead and click on the coupons option inside there. After that, you will need to go ahead and click on Add New Coupon option on the top left of the page. And then you'll be forwarded into this page, so you'll need to enter a unique code that your customers will use. Or you can just go and click on Generate Coupon Code, and it will be automatically generated and placed on that blank, okay? And after that, you can see descriptions right here, and it's optional as you can see, so that's only for internal reference. So once you fill these blanks right here, you will need to go and choose the discount type. So once you click on that option, you can see three options inside it. So the first one is percentage discount, and that means reduce the total by a percent, for example 20%. And for the fixed cart discount, that means reduces cart total by fixed amount, like $2, $10, for example. And the fixed product discount, that reduces price of specific products by fixed amount, okay? So you only need to enter the coupon amount. So for example, we'll go with fixed products discounts. We'll enter the coupon amount, for example 15, and after that we'll go with allow free shipping if you want. If not, just uncheck that box. And then just go and enter coupon expiry date, okay? 2 months from now, 1 year from now, so it's up to you. And then just go and click on usage restrictions or restriction section right here on the left. And here you will need just to fill all of these blanks, and then just go and click on publish, okay? So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.